If she come out, come show her documents, she legal in Europe, me stop at them careless. Shay them can cost me say what? Well, Shay them can cost me one story over and over. One story over and over again. Rosealee take her mother man. Rosealee house dirty. Rosealee can't move around one story. Them still come like scratch record. One story over. See GX here, me never did IGX. Me never did the IGX. One story over. Me ask someone, what should I cost me say one story over. Rosealee big and think like on all. Or for that be your herpes, syphilis and gonorrhea. My house dirty, Shay, and your settee dirty. You ever take white cloth cover it? All the white cloths over imprint. You soon see a woman by the print out on the white cloth. Can you not take you up and go wash it? You soon see a woman by the print out on the white cloth cover a settee. But can you not take you up go wash it? Can you not for there every day is a leech. The white cloth. Woman so take up go wash. Oh, take her mama man. Want to that. I mean even want to take my father, that's my choice and decision. But Shay, you take your mama. You take your mama. I give her sure, cause you give her sure, cause you don't got plan for take sure. But you have to give her sure, cause you don't want to take sure. Remember, as a girl in England, you give her sure too. I don't know you, now I don't know your first name and last name. Me take my mama, man, Shay, you take your mama. Me take my mama, man, Shay, and you take your mama. Cause we can see the man stand up in your mama. Me take my mama, man, Shay, you take your mama. Me can't take out the filter anytime or. Me not have no sore on my mouth. This is the filter. This is actually me. Me not have no sore on my mouth corner. Me not have no herpes in my hand niggle. See me, Anya? Me not have no herpes for my skin. What you mean by? Go tell Shay take out the filter. And me could do a mouth scan. Me could do a mouth lip scan. Herpes are killing the girl empire. Them blood not clean. Murder have dirt house and clean blood, naturally. Them tell her to take out the filter and show Ronia so. This me take out the filter. Me not have no herpes by me. Tell her, you go tell her if you do take out the filter. You go tell her take out the filter. Beer black dump. Mouth corner full of pure herpes. Syphilis are rotting them down them body. Syphilis. And yam them down like when termite and yam down all board. She full of spot me. I wonder what kind of leopard she be. You can't take, you can't. The only reason why I don't answer you every day, every minute, because what? I know I'm hungry and I look hype and clout. It's that's why I don't come here come answer, because I know I'm hungry unless I do it for the hype and the clout. That is why Shay bleed. Shay can't class me till I've got the syphilis out her blood. When am I gonna class them a scratch record? Eh? She have to watch me how she do all the while. Me are done in a them world. And them little bit of niche. She have to watch me. She have to, it's no joke about it. She have to watch me. Me not actually the only guy me say argue with me as long and watch me. She have to watch me. Remember me are done in them world. You don't know that already. That's why I pay them the mic. I know them a cloud chaser. Kitty can't group up. We realize she. Kitty not argue with me now. We just wait for the 20th. Kitty cannot, me not argue with Kitty, me just away on the 20th. Because fear Pitney can't save she. Because she's an immigrant or in association with immigrant. Them have to watch me all the while them do it. Because them see me greatness in me. And feel like say, oh no, me not follow no up. Me not follow no up. Me no. Because me a done for uno. Because I have to call my name. I want to done tomorrow, I want to come again and not talk. I want to done tomorrow, I want to come again and not talk. And I want to talk every day. And a months me not talk about uno. And they all live easy and free. Months! Me not talk about uno. Months! Me not look for uno. Months! Me not look for uno. Me hear uno call me run. Because me know not cloud chaser. I know. Everything I do for the cloud. Shay, me take my father, I'm still living up to the half responsibility. Go look for your pitney them. Shay, me Rosealee take my father. I'm still have responsibility. Go look for your pitney them. You have too much time for your honest long worry about girl and who girl take. How them taking at them mouth. How them taking at them body. How no about no pitney them. Wanna pitney eat this man for breakfast and I can't tell. Me take my father, Shay, I'm still living up with and nothing no do me. Life is quite fine. Me never do your aunt me. Me take my father, Shay. And my mother, take my father. I'm still alive. I take my daddy. Me's a replicant of daddy don't touch me there. I'm still alive. Me still alive. Me still alive. Me still alive. Come I wanna olive me do. Me I wanna if me take my father. And if me take my mama. And if me don't want to take anybody who want to take, what I have to do with you? You never take your father. And you accidentally did take your mama. And you breed and give away you pitney them like dog. You understand? Me no want in a challenge go look for your pitney. Me no want in a challenge go look for your pitney. Go and look for your pitney. Me know what me tell these people. Me not in a week challenge, no money challenge, no house challenge. Cause free house them live in a free them house. Them live in a free house. Me not in a challenge with a girl. Go and look for your pitney with your birth. Me no want in a challenge. Go look for your pitney. Go and look for your kids. That's all. When you can't come. Challenge. What kind of challenge me on? Go look for no pitney on a birth. Go look for responsibility challenge. You say when I fake girl. When you want to come in a vanity challenge and oh you look challenge. Go look some responsibility blood clot is so good mother and sad might. Go look responsibility John Crow. Go look responsibility dead dog. We not talk about challenge. Challenge you not thinking mama. Go look responsibility. Go search your ambition John Crow. We not talk about picnic bend over challenge kitchen. What kind of challenge me on in a? I don't have a common. I don't have a common blood clot I don't have the common thing in life which is ambition. What kind of challenge me on in a? Bend over challenge. It's not a dance. Bend over challenge. Show a kitchen challenge. It's a show for you no want the pan. Go look responsibility for your challenge. So good, girl. I don't even go look. Responsibility. Me don't want to have good kitchen. Me want to have a responsibility. Somebody will come to me, come tell me, say them hungry. I me have to look it. Jankro. And that me want to have. Me don't want to have no bend over challenge. You can't get body for buy. Me can't go get house rent. But me want to have a responsibility. So me know say Shanta wants to eat by 5 o'clock. Barbara come behind her. Go look responsibility, girl. Go look ambition. But challenge. Chankro. Uno big and careless. Uno what kind of challenge you want me to win? But kitchen challenge. Emi even cook out a blood clot door for one cold stove. So good, girl. I pick them off to eat because I have responsibility. I'm not argue back with you, because I know a clout on her look. I know. But there's a clap on your ears. I'm going to know, so I don't want to answer you. Because look, responsibility, John Crow. Every even cook out a door pan 2 black. And I want wood fire, I have responsibility. That means I have mouth to feed. Somebody come tell me, say them hungry. You don't have that. When you're not hungry, you can go yam queen and queen in yam yo. On the belly full. When you're hungry, you go yam queen and queen in yam yo. On the belly blood clot full. Because you scavenge on the walk and clean the earth. You know scavenge on the walk and clean the blood clot earth. Sure, when you're hungry, you go yam queen and queen in yam yo. You don't have no responsibility. You don't want in a kitchen challenge. Bend over challenge. Go look responsible. Go look something do. What a response for? For no tooth. For clean up on the thinking wall. That's all your queen response now. For you more bacteria to the one under the bumbo. For the responsibility of you more to the one under the batty wall. Because you don't batty like dog. Because any batty. I said, Delicia, so nyam. No nyam batty girl can an argument with me. You no eat bottom. Why your responsibility? Why your purpose in a Belgium so good? No nyam batty. Why your purpose in a Belgium? When you hungry, you go nyam one another. You want some responsibility, dirty girl. Me no have no kitchen. Me a cook out a door for one cold stove. But me put them have to eat when it's dinner time. When it's breakfast time, then I go catch a cold stove. When I snack time, I have snack here. And when I dinner time, I go catch the cold stove again. I buy a whole heap of coal. I don't have no kitchen. Outside, I cook. I go catch the coal and cook. Because I have responsibility. Well, you're one them day. Well, sure eat for morning. You talk about bend over challenge. And kids, what Jay and them for morning? What them eat? JR, alright? JR, alright? JR, alright? Shay, sure good? Shanta, you good?
Yeah.
Shanta, you good?
Yeah.
Shanta, you good?
Yeah.
Shay, you can't argue with Rosealee. Shanta, you good?
Yes, mommy.
Okay. Okay. Shanta, you good?
Yes,
Barber! Barber, you good? Can't argue with me. You're crazy. You're not chauffeur driven. That's all you come do. You get light, yeah?
Yes, mother.
Shop Barber?
Yes, mother.
You good?
Yes.
Okay. Go call Shore and RJ now, Shay. Shay, go call Shore and JR now. Give me a light, GX. Shay! Go call Shore now and JR.
Give a short for us, short.
My dad, go call them. As a big black crusty girl when I live now, I'm putting them their foot. Cause me have to break it till me make it. Me cook on this cold stove. And them have to eat. Me not have no kitchen.
Tell my kitchen out of the store. Tell my kitchen out of the store.
Jakes, me don't want you in the background like blood clot queen woman. Me make me angle this. Me don't want you in the background like queen. Your voice in the background like queen woman. Me don't want your voice like a careless like queen woman. Everything me say you have something said to me not run them the rocket there. Me don't want you in the background like queenie blood clot. Woof woof dog woman. Me don't want you in the background like a woman. We don't want to hear you in the background. We don't want you in the background like queen woman. We don't want you enough up. Everything you're in her. And your imprint stain pan the blood clot. Me say the girl them song and set it sing so. Low. Them can't easily touch them toe, them low. Them low. So them yeah, hungry I kill them, you know. Hey, you can't come sister, they hungry. Hey, they hungry, you know. Especially the blood clot man royal one. Whenever after living a life in America, she run. Walk and suck pussy and catch like a dog. Hi. Come give me a light. Not swamp. Not swamp. Come nigga make me a play too much. Me done with the scaleless girl. I suck me a look. Now time. Power tap shot. Me say Shay love people blood clot business. And she can't call on her pity them. Me not challenging no girl. No girl. No girl when I have no responsibility can in an argument with me. Me take my mama yes. My house dirty yes. But me have my responsibility them on my foot. She not take nobody. Her house clean with your responsibility them there. A dog alone bird picking around with left feet. Power tap shot. Now I want argument with no more. I'm sad and mad my paya. Power tap shot. Me not want an argument with no sad and mad night paya. Me not want an argument with them. My responsibility them yeah, that's why I come fight and tear up y'all at the time. Cause me have responsibility. Something where them not gonna forever have no like them careless. And people business them walk and try to take an old take pan.
Chat, wanna push up the score.
And I worry about oofa neck big and oofa neck this and the man no want them. She need to go score off the herpes off her lip. Or score off the herpes off of your blood clot lip. Stinking girl. I don't think girl see. I say I never saw one girl who I don't like sit to blood clot. Eat Shay like poison. Me eat her. And me alone on TikTok eat Shay.
Rosealee, young Shay not just cuss where they wanna start back again. Okay, guys, listen, wanna push up the score. I mean, I have my own problem over here, so.
Power tap shot. And me alone on TikTok not like Shay. I don't like a bone on me. Shay long blood clot, big foot, little foot, it doesn't matter. I don't like the blood clot, girl. I don't like her.
The score now move. Me I come off. This not make no sense. Look how long me there, so I'm not even tap the screen on the do not. Me not understand this. No, so me I don't.
Man and woman organ in them body. She too enough, man. I always want to be seen. That's why I always chat back to Jenny when she enough up, you know. Kind of time me and Jenny in the argument, she run, because present her